how to activate international market in Shopify. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Shopify on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, on the left side toolbar, tap on the settings option and further tap on the market option. Now, tap on the add market option and enter a name for the market, example, Europe or Asia. Select the countries or regions you want to include in this market and then save the market by tapping on the Save button. Further, set up currencies for each market. To sell in multiple currencies, ensure you have Shopify payments enabled. Go to Settings and then tap on Payments and activate Shopify payments if it's not already enabled. In the Market section, select the market you have created and enable multiple currencies by toggling on Use Local Currency. Further, add or configure exchange rate preferences. Shopify automatically handles currency conversion using current exchange rates. You can set rounding rules if needed. And go ahead and enable language options too. To offer your store in multiple language, go back to Settings and then tap on Languages. Add the language you want to support. Shopify supports multiple languages natively. To translate your store, use the Translate and Adapt app from the Shopify App Store for translations. Link translated content to the appropriate market. And in Settings again, tap on Market and then select the Market option and click Manage. Now scroll down to Shipping and Delivery. Add shipping zones and rates specific to the selected countries or regions, and integrate with international shipping providers if necessary. So, this is how you can activate international market in Shopify. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.